Effective June 1, 2025, all rectification applications related to annual returns and financial statements must be submitted through Mbrs, regardless of whether the previous original submissions were made via Mbrs or over the counter under the Companies Act 1965 or Companies Act 2016. Here's an overview of how to generate an XBRL zip file using M2. In M2, please select your submission type. Select Annual Return or Financial Statements for submissions under the Companies Act 2016. For submissions under the Companies Act 1965, select Annual Return 1965 or Financial Statements 1965. Then, proceed with Create Filing or Edit Filing. Ensure that under the Filing Information tab, the preparer selects Rectification Filing under Application of Submission and enters the date of the statutory declaration. Rectify the errors made in the previous original filing, then proceed to generate the XBRL zip file. This guide shows how a maker can upload rectification applications through the M portal. Log in as a maker, then select Rectification Application and Filing Submission under the Filing Process module. There are two types of rectification. Filing information rectification, used to correct any error or inaccurate data in the filing information. Example, rectifying the company status from private to public. Standard rectification, used to correct any error or inaccurate data other than filing information. Example, rectifying the residential address of a director in Section D of an annual return. Complete all mandatory fields under the Rectification Application and Filing Submission tab in M Portal. Upload the amended XBRL zip file along with the relevant supporting documents, then click Submit for the lodger to review and approve. For the annual return, fill in only the end date, which refers to the company's anniversary date under CA 2016 and the annual return date for CA 1965. As for financial statements, enter the start date and end date of the financial year end. Mail filing is only for rectification with court order, without any filing of the rectified document. For example, to withdraw an annual return submission under CA 2016 or CA 1965 that has already been submitted and registered with SSM. Once the maker uploads the rectification application, the lodger needs to review, approve, digitally sign, and make payment for the submission. For more information, you can visit the SSM official portal at www.ssm.com.my. You will also find SSM XBRL reference materials under the Mbrs Resource Center tab.